Hey guys, this is your host Arham again, and I hope you all are doing really good. Today, we're back with the Fast Series episode 2, and I'll be showing you the best 60% budget mechanical keyboard on the market right now. And let me tell you guys, I have really enjoyed it, and let me tell you how. Alright guys, so the keyboard name is reddragon k530, and before I bought this thing, I really wanted a Razer Huntsman Mini with red switches because I really like the feel of those switches. But I did not have any budget for that, so I got it. I was kinda disappointed, but when I started using this thing, man, I really love it now, and let me share all the positive and negative aspects of it, and let's just start. Okay guys, so the things which I love about this keyboard, it's got a Type-C connector, and this is really good thing for me. I carry a lot of Type-C devices and one cable for all of them. Also, it's got Bluetooth connectivity and can connect up to 3 devices, having a dedicated button to switch between those. Also, it's got a rechargeable battery, and I got a 1-week backup from that with RGB on. And RGB shines really beautifully through these PPT short keycaps. And talking about switches, it's got Cherry MX browns. My personal preference would be Cherry MX reds, but these browns are so much better than Cherry MX blues. Also, it got nice rubber feet which support 9-degree elevation, and I really find that comfortable to type on. And the RGB is controllable through software, and to be honest, the software experience is fairly simple. It's pretty simple to use, and you can also configure your macros. I don't know if you're into that. Now, the things which I don't like about this keyboard is the software experience, guys. If I have a reddragon mouse and a reddragon keyboard, I'll have to download 2 different software in my PC to configure both of them, and there is no synergy between their products, and I find that really annoying. They can make user experience much better if they have only one piece of software, and I think that reddragon should do it. Also, I noticed something while I was playing Dark Souls 3, that it disconnected on Bluetooth mode and the battery was over 60%, so I don't know what happened. Only it happened 2 times, but this was worth mentioning. I recommend that you play games over cable mode. Other than that, guys, I give this keyboard a solid 8 out of 10, and I'm really loving this keyboard. I fell in love with it, guys. Okay, so yeah. That's pretty much for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.